Koba isolni pati gaban salo dalo atang tentang manca yarong kon parisna kusyong biani salongnya dike sojong parisoneri bagpa ni father Ketal, father CB, father Abraham, father Prodip, aro sojong paris ni banderang nasimang sakantikon aro sisterang mo donga sisterang aro nasimang sakantikon sa kusyong be remchaksuwa ya jingni kusyong ani sal aro somayo aro menggaban kusyong ani atmaksa bishop donga tura diocese ni bishop Memang ia sal tentang macam cenga patiani salong biaha aron deke cenga tentang macam rongkot paris ni mak keparang cadam berang longen kusyong bia nakmen kusyong bedok aro ia sal cenga nam kepa aro lokobai solni patiani ongcina dawan ceng father sibina asni father getal na ceng dibarang kotepon cengken kang ba kotepon yang ati kotep aro ini zamannya jendera kolatken, Halo, Father Abraham, oh ya tahu, mereka full kolatnya, bokeh kolatnya, deh, hotel bejok, jawab jeng, sojong Paris pi, Paris pi sudah konsep kolatken. Ada jendela tu kan? Deh. Ada father project bukan cuma project kan? Deh father project na baat kita punya tengah. Father project na. Ada Artinya kasar bishop na baat sumber ako nakin. Aro artinya kasar sister sakri donga. Sister sakri na baat sumber ako nakin. Please come sister. Dia tahu nga sini Paris Krishna somai ko niya. Padre Amit.
Sakantiko Jisunara song
for
Hindi, English, Garo.
Hindi or English? Hindi or English? If you can speak Arabic, that is better.
So, I'm seeing the most Reverend Bishop Andrew R. Marat, Bishop of Tura, is our neighbor. So, when Father Sigi is coming, Father Abraham is coming, and Sojong people are coming from Karbi Anglong, Bishop also came in advance to welcome and also bring the letter, and also we have new Father Bartholomew, so Bishop came to prepare the place and came advance. So first of all, we are very, as our leader was telling, we thank the Lord for this very auspicious and beautiful, important day. Bishop is here with us as Father C.B. came. And so dear Father C.B. John, we were together sometime. Father Abraham has many sons and daughters. So Father Abraham here, that is the people, Father Pradip, to sisters, and Prochorok's catechists also are there, I believe, and Parish Council members are here. So we thank the Lord, first of all, for bringing you safe and sound in this place. Of course, this is little, hungry, but safe and sound. God has brought you, and so thank the Lord, and we thank all of you for reaching our pastor, Father Siddhi, to our Holy Cross Church, Rongkhon, and accompanied by Rector and Parish Priest himself, Father Abraham, and Father Hardeep, Principal, and as I said in the beginning, leaders of the church, together with sisters, you have accompanied and brought here. So as we welcome you, I thank you also for accompanying Father. And welcome to Garo Hills from Karbi Anglong. Monday, one of our father from Garo Hills who has been working long will go to Karbi Anglong. That is Difu College. And so there is an exchange. And so just for the information, the news. And so we are happy to receive Father Sibi, to Father Abraham and Father Pradeep, sister, and all of you. This place is called Holy Cross Church, Rongkhon, under Tura Diocese. Our bishop himself is here. So, welcome to all of you, and feel at home. And thank you once again for visiting and bringing blessing to our parish. Thank you to all.